but you're never gonna be.
Welcome to AR Ride, the channel that brings you the latest and most exciting updates from the world of automobiles. Today we are exploring the iconic Volkswagen Beetle, a car that has captured hearts for generations with its unique design, reliability and timeless appeal. The Volkswagen Beetle stands out with its instantly recognizable round shape, smooth curves and compact size. Over the years the design has evolved while retaining its signature retro charm. Modern versions feature LED headlights, a stylish front grille and an aerodynamic profile that enhances both efficiency and performance. The Beetle's overall build is designed for city driving with a sleek and practical exterior that makes it easy to maneuver and park in tight spaces. Under the hood, the Volkswagen Beetle offers various engine options depending on the model and year. Common powertrains include a turbocharged 4-cylinder engine that balances power and fuel efficiency. The engine delivers smooth acceleration and a lively driving experience, making it an ideal car for both city commutes and weekend getaways. The refined transmission options include a manual gearbox for those who enjoy a more engaging drive and an automatic option for seamless convenience. Inside the cabin, the Volkswagen Beetle blends retro styling with modern technology. High-quality materials, soft-touch surfaces and comfortable seating create an inviting atmosphere. The front seats provide excellent support while the rear seats are designed to accommodate passengers comfortably. Despite the car's compact size, the dashboard features ensuring entertainment and easy access to navigation. Safety is a key aspect of the Volkswagen Beetle, with various driver assistance features available in modern models. Equipped with anti-lock braking, electronic stability control and multiple airbags, the car provides essential protection for both driver and passengers. Advanced safety features such as blind spot monitoring, rear-view cameras and parking sensors further enhance driving confidence, making every ride secure and stress-free. The Volkswagen Beetle is designed for an enjoyable driving experience with responsive steering, smooth handling and a well-tuned suspension system. The compact size and lightweight design allow for easy navigation in urban areas while providing stability on highways. The fuel efficiency of the Beetle makes it an economical choice for those who want both style and practicality without compromising on performance. The Volkswagen Beetle remains an icon in the automotive world with its charming looks, fun-to-drive nature and reliable engineering. Whether you are a fan of its classic appeal or looking for a compact and efficient vehicle, the Beetle continues to be a timeless choice that never goes out of style. Thank you for watching AR Ride. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated on the latest cars and automotive news, make sure to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned for more exciting content.